Hello, Lisa Arana here, and welcome to another Assemble This video. Today's card is all about stamping off the edge using some cute pattern paper and then coloring just a little bit with Copic markers and this darling new little bird from Unity Stamp Company. The kit is called Bird's the Word and has tons of fabulous sentiments in it as well. So I'm starting out with my bird pre-stamped on some Nina Solar White 80-pound cardstock, and I do have him just slightly off the edge of the paper over there. And then we're going to be coloring very simply with some Copic markers. I only have one color per family, and I'm just following the lines basically on this. I really like simple coloring and the way it turned out with this cute little bird. So I started out with B0000 and just outlined the whole entire body of the bird, and then just a little bit under the beak and the eye. And then I'm using YG0000 for the beak, and then RV000 for the little hearts around the bird. And then last N1 to just create a bit of shadow, just adding that shadow right underneath the bottom of the bird and then his feet as well. So again, just really simple, and I just really like the effect. So now on to the card design. Again, it's really quick and easy. I just have this strip of cute pattern paper, and I'm just going to glue that to the side of my card front. Just like that. So it's a great way to use up any strips or scraps of pattern paper that you might have. And now that that's all lined up, I'm just going to trim off the edges so it matches the front of the card. And then I also have a strip of pattern paper from the same pack of paper. And then I die cut that with a stitched scalloped edge. I'm just going to glue that directly to the back of my front panel here. And now that that's all lined up, I'm just going to take my scissors and trim off the edges like I did with the front of the card and trim them down so they match my panel. Next, we just need to add some foam adhesive to the back of that panel and then pop it up into the front of our card front here. And I'm just carefully lining that up. And then I have a little word bubble that I've stamped hello, which also comes in the kit, and I'm just popping that up on the front as well. Now, just to add a little bit of sparkle, I'm using some sequins from Unity Stamp Company, and I'm just gluing those down with some glossy accents, and then that pencil thing is a rhinestone pencil that I just used to pick each of those sequins up. Here is the finished card with that little birdie peeking in from the side just to say hello. I love the bit of pattern paper on the side and that sparkle and movement from the sequins as well. I'll have all the supplies linked up below, and if you have any questions or a sweet comment, post below. Thank you so much for creating with me today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!